Here's the twins doing some coloring. Hi guys. Hi Adia. Look how good she's doing. Good job. And look at Adric. And look, who do we have back there? I see you. Hi. Are you drawing so nice, Adia? You gotta turn the page. Turn it over. Here, go this way, honey. Look. Go back here. There you go. Are you switching colors? Okay, let's go see the baby. Little Adriana. Hi. How are you? What you doing? Are you serious? You're so cute. You're so cute. Whoa, good girl. Good job. Look at your cute little feet. Sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down. Thank you. Okay, here's Adric's. Wow, that's so good. Here's Adia's. Let's look at yours. Good job. Keep coloring. Here, keep coloring. You guys are doing a good job. You look so cute sitting there with your two little heads. Can you guys turn around? Are you serious? Here's our talker, Adriana. Hello? Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna go color, play with the baby. Bye.